Hey family, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Modern Warfare 4 not launching on Steam. If you click play, the game starts loading for a few seconds and then simply returns to the play button. Follow these steps. So let's get started. Step 1. Delete the DLL files. First, open Steam and go to your library. Right-click on Modern Warfare 4, select Manage, and click Browse Local Files. Once the game folder opens, click the Type column to organize the files by type. Now scroll down until you find the DLL files. Select the DLL files, right-click, and choose Delete. Don't worry, we'll restore any required files in the next step. Now go back to Steam, right-click the game again, and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation and download any missing or corrupted files. Once the verification is complete, try launching the game again. If Modern Warfare 4 still closes immediately, move on to the next step. Step 2. Remove Faceit Anti-Cheat. If you have Faceit Anti-Cheat installed, it may be causing a conflict with the game. To remove the related service, open the Start menu, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. Now enter the commands shown on screen one at a time, pressing Enter after each command. I'll put the commands in the description so you can copy and paste them easily. These commands will stop and remove the Faceit Anti-Cheat service from your PC. If you've already removed Faceit Anti-Cheat, you may see a message saying that the service isn't installed. That's completely normal. Once you've finished running the commands, restart your PC. After restarting, open Steam and launch Modern Warfare 4 again. In most cases, removing corrupted game files, verifying the installation, and resolving conflicting anti-cheat software can fix the game returning to the play button. And that's it. If this method fixed your problem for you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more gaming troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.